We will see how you can locate and delete your iPhone backup on your Windows PC if you have stored one. We will use two methods, one by using iTunes and the other one without using iTunes. So first we start off with using iTunes. We go to Edit, we click on Preferences, we go to Devices, and that's the backup you have. You can delete it by clicking on it and deleting it. I will say cancel for now because I will show you the other way you can locate and delete your iPhone backup. So you go to search and you say %, app, data, %, enter. It will take you to the user data. Click Apple Computer, Mobile Sync, Backup, and that's the backup you're looking for, and you can delete it. Thanks for watching.